I'm a little freaked, but I wonder if you can see how the sky looks behind these trees. It's a long way up the driveway, so I do not want to walk up there. But the storm has moved over that way. It's clearing out over here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's small. Maybe if I gather a lot of the pieces together or something. Don't know why I'm fascinated by this, but I am. I guess the majority of it is melted. Let me go over to my other car. I guess the majority of it melted by now. Still a couple of pieces up. I'm trying to see the storm. Okay, there it goes. Can you see it? See the storm? Maybe I should be like at the house right now.